students, in arithmetic progression, we were solving the problems of exercise 5.3. We will continue with the same exercise. Number of problems are there in that. So in question number 3, there are number of parts. There are 10 parts. So some questions of question number 3, sub parts I'll take. So I have selected previously also, and previous video also I had done 4 or 5 problems. And here some fifth problem, alternate problems which are easy ones. Just I skip those problems and you can try by your own, and I am sure you will be able to solve those questions. Okay, so I will proceed with question number 3, fifth problem. See, some data is given, some information is given, and something is expected. So whatever is given, that we will write. Formula is known, we will apply the formula and we will form some equations and we will solve those equations to find the unknown values, right? So what is given in fifth problem, that is b is equal to 5, s9 is equal to 75. s9 is 75 means the value of n is 9. Clear? Suffix 9 means therefore n is equal to 9. 3 things are given. S9 is given, n is 9, d is 5, then find a and a9. See, we are having 2 formulae. S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is one formula. And what is expected? A is what and a9 is what? A9 means it is T9. Because we have used the formula, established the formula for T9, Tn. So Tn, another formula is there, that is a plus n minus 1 d. With these two, with the help of these two and the given data, we will find a and a9. So we will start with sum. Given S9 and this is Sn. So in place of n, there is 9 here. So therefore, S9, that is S9 is equal to 9 by 2 because n is 9. That is 2a plus 9 minus 1 into, what is d? d is 5. So n is given and d is given, S9 is given, we have to find a. So what is S9? S9 is 75. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2, right? That is 2a plus 8 5 is 40. Therefore, 3 times 25 times. So therefore 50 is equal to 3 2a plus 40. Therefore 50 is equal to 6a plus 120. So we can get the information from here. Therefore 6a is equal to 50 minus 120, that is equal to minus 70. Therefore a is equal to minus 70 by 6. Therefore a is equal to minus 35 by 2. So value of a we found. Now we will find the value of a9. a9 is equal to T9. So a plus 9 minus 1 into d is 5 using this formula. Therefore a9 is equal to a we got minus 35 by 2. So minus 35 by 2 plus 40. 8 into 5, 40. That is minus 35 by 35 plus 80 by 2. That is 55. In fact, it is 45 by 2. Therefore, A9 is equal to 45 by 2. So these two are the answers of the given question. So this way, using these two formula, we could find the A and A9. So we will go for the second. A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210, and N is equal to what, and D is equal to what. AN means it is TN. So here we are having another formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, right, in bracket A plus Tn. Tn is An. So Tn is known, Sn is known, A is known, then we can find N from this formula. You have to remember all the formulae, because while solving the problems we have to apply the formula. So formula should be known, and these terms also, what is what, that too should be known. Okay? Sure. The Sn is equal to 210, therefore 210 is equal to n by 2, in bracket A is 8 and Tn is 62. Therefore 210 is equal to n by 2 into how much it is? That is 70. So by 2 it will go 35. Therefore n is equal to 210 upon 35, that is 6. That is equal to 6. Therefore n is equal to 6. One quantity we got. Out of n and d, n we got. We have to find d. So for that, Tn is known. So we can use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. So n is known, A is known, Tn is known, then we can find the value of d from here. So Tn is 62, therefore 62 is equal to A is 8 plus n is 6. So 6 minus 1 into d we have to find out. Therefore 62 is equal to 8 plus 5d. Therefore 5d is equal to 62 minus 8, that is 54. Therefore d is equal to 54 by 5. This is the answer for d as well. Eighth one, An is given is equal to 4, d is given, that is 2, Sn is given, that is minus 14, and what is required, n is equal to what, and A is equal to what. A means first term, n means number of terms. So with the given data, An means, again and again I am telling, An means it is Tn. A, A1, A2, A3, An. An means it is Tn. So for your understanding, this is Tn, simply. So Sn is given, Tn is given, we want A and N both. So we can use formula. See, S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, to a plus Tn we can write. Isn't it? So Sn is given, therefore Sn is minus 14, that is minus 14 is equal to n by 2 a plus 4. Therefore further simplification if I do, I will get minus 28 is equal to n a plus 4. Let this be a first equation. Two variables are there, n and a, both are required to be found. This is the first equation. We will have another equation with d also. Tn is known, d is known. So we can get another equation. And we know Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Tn is given. Tn is 4. Therefore 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. With that also we will get one relation between a and n. Therefore, 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2, and this implies a plus 2n is equal to 6. This is second equation. Now from 2, we will find the value of a and we will put over here. From 2, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. We got the value of a, and let this equation be 3. Value of a will be put in equation number 2. So we will write from 1 and 3. Minus 28 is equal to n in bracket, that is 6 minus 2n plus 4. Therefore, minus 28 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, n, 10 minus 2n. Therefore, we can multiply and transfer. That is minus 28 is equal to 10n minus 2n square. Transfer whole quantity on right hand side in left hand side. So therefore 2n square minus 10n minus 28, that is equal to 0. So if you see, 2 is common in both. So we can write therefore 2n square minus 5n minus 14, that is equal to 0. In quadratic equation chapter, I have completed that. If you see our my videos after going in playlist in quadratic equation, all the videos if you look at, so all the procedures I have shown how to solve the quadratic equation. पूरे आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाएंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चैप्टर खोलेंगे, उसमें पूरे डिटेल आपको मिलेंगे कैसे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया जाता है. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू थिंग्स, 2 into this. Therefore, n square minus 5n minus 14, that is equal to 0. अब इसको by factorization method we can solve. 14 is to be factorized. 14. So it will be 2 and 7. Since it is minus, bigger one is minus. This is this. That is 14 into n square. So we will write minus 14n square with sign. So it is 2n and it is 7n. So minus 7n and plus 2n will be the factors. So we can put over here because 2n minus 7 is equal to minus 5n and product will be minus 14n square. Therefore, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14, that is equal to 0. Taking here n common, so we will get n minus 7 plus 2 common, that is n minus 7, that is equal to 0. And from these two, n minus 7 is common, so it is n plus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 7 is equal to 0 or n plus 2 is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, this implies n is equal to 7 and this is n is equal to minus 2. Two values we are getting of n. N is equal to 7 and n is equal to minus 2. So this is not possible. Number of terms cannot be negative. So answer is this. Therefore, n is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7 we got. N is known. Now a can be found by putting any of these two. A is 6 minus 2n. So therefore we can write from 3. We can write from equation 3. That is a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Therefore a is equal to 6 minus 2n, that is 6 minus 2 into, this is 7. Right? The 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. Therefore a is equal to minus 8. This is the answer. So n is this, a is minus 8. This is the answer of this question. It is slightly lengthy, but concept. What is given, what is to be found out, two equations I formed, and by putting the value, finally I converted both the equation into one equation with one variable and solve it. If it is quadratic, by the method of quadratic equation I solved and found the value of n first, then either of the equation you put the value and you will get the value of a, right? Now 10th part of this question, that is 10th one. Given L is equal to 28 and S is equal to 144 and total number of terms is 9, means N is equal to 9. What is A? Because this question is quite easy, you can use the formula S is equal to N by 2 A plus L. This you know. So see, L is given, S is given, N is given, you can find value of A. I think this you can do. Still, it takes 1 minute to solve, then I will do it. Therefore, 144 is equal to 9 by 2 A plus 28. Very simple equation is formed and simplification is left. Therefore, multiply by 2, 144, that is 288 is equal to 9 A plus 28. So 9 3 times 2 times. Therefore 32 is equal to A plus 28. Therefore A is equal to 32 minus 28, that is equal to 4. Therefore A is equal to 4. This is the answer, and this way today I have completed question number 3. Remaining problems of question number 3 try it by your own, and मुझे पूरा एश्योरेंस है आप उसको सॉल्व कर लोगे. अगर नहीं सॉल्व करते, write in the comment box, then I will solve those problems also. So I will meet you next time with new problems of this exercise. Till then, all the best. Take care of you. Take care of your parents. Respect the parents. Obey the parents. And be sincere in the studies. So till then, all of us. Take care.